is not working.
Bulb is not working. Oh, now he is.
Oh, the speakers aren't hooked up to it.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, right.
Bubba's head moving.
Is it?
Did anybody else notice that?
His head was moving.
His head was moving.
It was. Look.
What the heck happened?
Bubba's head.
I think the wire just started working.
We didn't do that.
It was probably the wiring because I touched it.
What do you mean you
I
touched
tapped
it?
the wiring earlier. I guess that worked.
His
again.
eyes don't move though.
Why
Tony's
is
eyes
that?
aren't- Tony's not
Oh, his
blinking.
eyes don't work in general though.
Nah, Tony's not blinking.
Wait, Tony's head is moving too.
Tony's head's moving too.
Is his ribbon cabling wrong or something? Did we switch the? No, because
Yeah.
they're all moving the same as
Let's see
they're
what
supposed
happens during your cheating hard.
Why is
Yeah.
Tony? Why the?
Oh no!
Who did that? Joseph came here.
Are his eyelids stuck?
Yeah, Joseph came here.
Oh god. No.
He got it all messed up.
Rocky's the only one that's actually moving recently. Actually, Henry looks good. Hank too. Hank looks great.
Oh yeah, Hank's blinking again. Shout out to Hank.
There he goes.
But Bubba's eyelids aren't moving and Hank's not, or Tony's not blinking.
Tony blinks.
Henrietta's eyes aren't moving either. Is that? They haven't been. Oh, okay. Okay. Rocky top after you? What's wrong with his head is
I can't believe Bubba's head's working again.
That's so weird. I haven't seen that in 5 years.
That's not 90s accurate though. His arms. Oh, his arms do work actually.
But he's working better.
Yeah.
His eyes aren't working now anymore.
Remember that period of time? Remember that period of time we couldn't get him working for like 3 years?
Oh yeah. That was
So
a
weird
big
that his
fun.
head is working.
I know. Well, so is Tony.
You hooked in the right ribbon cables, right?
I think.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Weird.
Wow.
Maybe it's just the wiring connections messed up, and when you touch it, I have no idea.
Maybe Bubba has free will and he's decided to move his head. I don't know.
The Teletubbies are inside of him.
None of their wires are crossed, so that's good.
Oh yeah, yeah. They're definitely saying when they're supposed to be.
I disconnected all the ribbon cables from the side door and didn't come back in. I wasn't sure if I had them in order or not. But it's all good.
Is the valve closed on it?
On the eyes?
Yeah.
Well, the cylinder's going bad, so I have to make it move fast, otherwise it doesn't move.
Okay.
His eyes are gonna wall doing
They
that.
work? Yeah, we gotta work on Tony anyway, like his face. We gotta redo his face again.
What's all his face?
His eyelids aren't moving, and his
Well, not just that, but the fabric.
Well, it took a while. It took a while for his eyelids to close when you guys turned the air on, but I didn't know if it was because the air was fighting to
Yeah.
get in, or because his eyelids were fighting to stay
Right.
closed. So I don't. Because of the fabric, like I don't know.
Yeah, no, you can. Yeah.
It's just like it was before. I can't wait to get the food tank and the chicken to see inside.
like usually in the eye sockets.
Yeah, that's really all we need. Especially with that Howard Tony's.
Yeah.
And that wasn't in the way I would have painted.
Tony's
What part of the
ears.
song are we on?
isn't this, what song is this?
Wait.
Uh-oh.
I see the issue. You swapped it. You swapped it.
What happened? Tony's singing You're Cheating Hard again.
You swapped
So
it.
does Swan.
That's why.
Oh my gosh, it's 2007 again!
It is
That's
small.
why. How did you
No,
do
wait a
that?
minute. No, that's not true because when Bubba was talking, he was.
Oh, no. What did you do?
But wait a minute, that doesn't make sense because during Rocky Top he was saying fine.
Yeah.
What the heck happened?
Oh, that was hands falling. Don't touch it.
Wait a second.
I'll get it.
Ah! He died. His hands fell off again.
No, this says Antonio.
Yeah, it's
Did you put it must have been put it in the box.
yeah.
Wait, you guys took that out? Oh, because we had to move it.
We had to move it.
I'm saying, why would you take that out of there? Okay.
Oh, we gotta move it back.
That is weird.
Yeah.
Oh, Bubba, you lost your hand.
That's why it says like you got so happy for nothing. So why does it need 10 minutes?
Well, this is very interesting. Thank God we didn't have to open it first. That means it
Yeah, it's 2007 all over again.
Yeah, right? Somehow I think they're moving better than they were in 2007. Maybe.
Kind of. In some ways.
I don't know how we didn't notice that knock top though.
No, he was saying, we sure need a nice guy.
You wanna say that?